The Pacific Northwest, a place of beauty and tranquility. This serene part of the world is one many call home. Its wonder and majesty can draw you in for a lifetime. You are surrounded by ancient mountains and a wild ocean. There is life wherever you look. When you're here, it's impossible to miss the value of the natural world. And while the beauty draws you in, it's the experience that makes you stay. Living by the sea, enveloped by the sights and sounds of the Canadian West Coast, you realize this isn't a place to simply hide away. This is a way of life. You earn your way. Though it never really feels like work. You are at peace, and you can't help but enjoy the closeness to nature in the Pacific Northwest.